Hello everyone, welcome to today's edition of The Bottom Line. Let me take you through the top headlines of the day. Micro lockdowns, travel curbs necessary to stop surge, says AIMS chief. COVID-19 resurgence slows down leisure travel in India. Stronger coordination between countries on travel customs required, says UNWTO. Portugal extends restrictions on travel to Spain until April 15 to curb COVID-19. Fully vaccinated people can travel safely again, says CDC. Hong Kong bars incoming Singapore Airline flights until April 16 over COVID-19. A new strategy is required to battle the COVID surge in the country that is fueled by laxity in maintaining safety measures and a mutant strain of the COVID, says Dr. Randeep Guleria, Director AIMS. He said, "We can do things that do not hit the economy in a big manner, and one of them is non-essential travel. People can obviously postpone their holidays and vacations for some time, and that will help decrease the spread of infection to areas where there are not many cases." As per insights from RateGain, COVID fares in the cities like Pondicherry saw a 53% drop in bookings, while both Alwar and Delhi NCR saw a 51% drop in bookings. Kamesh Shukla, EVP and APMEA, RateGain said, "One of the major reasons for drop in bookings during a perfectly good time of the year to holiday is the rise in coronavirus cases, as a result of which people want to avoid traveling." UNWTO continues to require stronger coordination between countries on travel customs in order to assure safe restart of tourism and prevent another year of tremendous losses in the industry. Zurab Pololikashvili, Secretary General UNWTO, said, "Improved coordination between countries and harmonized travel and health protocols are essential to restore confidence in tourism and allow international travel to resume safely ahead of the peak summer season in the Northern Hemisphere." That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. Stay tuned for more travel industry updates. Thank you and have a great day ahead.